Ready to transform your WordPress website into a revenue-generating machine by accepting payments directly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, the control center of your website. Next, navigate to Plugins and click Add New in the search bar. Type Stripe to find a plugin that seamlessly integrates with WordPress. Look for a reputable plugin like WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Ensure it has a high rating and a significant number of active installations, which indicates its reliability. Click the Install Now button next to your chosen plugin, and once installed, click Activate to enable it on your site. If you're using WooCommerce, go to WooCommerce Settings, then click on the Payments tab. You should see Stripe listed as an option. Click Manage next to Stripe to configure its settings. Here, you'll typically find a button to connect to your Stripe account. This will redirect you to Stripe. If you don't have a Stripe account, you'll need to create one once logged in. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account to the plugin. You may need to copy and paste API keys from your Stripe dashboard into the plugin settings. Stripe provides test keys that can be used. Make sure to switch to live keys when going into production. After connecting, test the integration by making a test purchase to ensure everything is working correctly, and that's it. You've successfully integrated Stripe with your WordPress website, empowering you to accept secure online payments with ease.